Hey, what's up? If you're like me, and you like sausage, sweet potatoes, and Brussels sprouts, this hash recipe is just for you. So I got in my 12-inch rapid skillet my sweet potatoes and my Brussels sprouts, which I sort of blanched and parched, steamed them, just so that the vegetables could be a little bit tender as we build our hash. Now to this pan, I'm gonna add me a 1/4 cup of canola oil, 1 cup of red onions, and about 1/2 pound of pre-cooked, already brown sausage. So to the 4 cups of Brussels sprouts and the 3 cups of sweet potatoes and the 1 cup of red diced onions and 1/2 pound of sausage, it's all about letting the skillet do its thing from here on. Because what I want to do is really create that nice golden hash color, which you're normally used to probably getting if you're going to get a traditional corned beef hash. But I happen to like sweet potatoes. I like squash of any kind, acorn, butternut, if you want to substitute that. And for the sweet potatoes, feel free. Because it's all about having that morning, noon, night, comfort food, any time of year meal that makes me happy. And this is why I like making this simple, delicious hash. Now, I like to get a nice golden brown on my sweet potatoes and on my Brussels sprouts. Because remember, we already cooked the sausage, so it's already got that nice brown color. And we also added the juice from the sausage right into this pan, so that we got another layer of flavor. So I'm gonna add to that some dried thyme, just about a teaspoon. And this hash is really coming together, really good, really simple. And I love the fact that I'm cooking it in the electric skillet because I can just take the hash from the kitchen to the table and we're dining indoors, fine dining style, having a really good, easy to make meal. So the parsley went in for some color and a little bit of flavor. The sweet potatoes are humming, great flavors. Come eat me right now, along with the Brussels sprouts and the sausage. And folks, I don't know about you, but I do know about me. This is pretty much as easy as it gets. We're talking about making a delicious sweet potato sausage and Brussels sprout hash. You gotta try it. Check that out.